Hi everyone, today I will make a chicken soup. The first step is to peel the carrots and garlic. The second step is to now water the pan. The third step is to put the chicken in a pan filled with water. Fourth step, add the carrots. The fifth step is to add the potatoes. Add the spices that have been ground. Season and flavoring. After that, stir. Then let it sit once boiling. Add the beans, spring onions, and celery. Then stir. And transfer to vegetable bowl. Chicken soup is ready to be served.